Hey there, Karma Guy here. Check out this 2018 Mini Hardtop 2-door Cooper S, a one-owner, ready for a new adventure. It's equipped with current Georgia state emissions and comes dealer certified pre-owned. That means it's backed by the Quality Plus warranty, a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty for your peace of mind. But that's not all. At the time of sale, you'll also have the option to add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. And don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option. We understand buying a car is a big decision, which is why we encourage a pre-purchase inspection. Just a heads up, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and the 5-year service plan, so be sure to get the full benefits. As we always say, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Don't settle for less. Come see this Mini today